I have a Buick Envision here, stuffed real good right in this area. Pull all of this old damage out. I have a Buick Envision here. This one got smacked in the back. It's getting a new liftgate, and then all of this is stuffed real good right in this area. So it's getting a new rear body panel, which I have right here. But first, I'm gonna clamp it to the frame bench, and I'm gonna pull all of this old damage out. Use this old panel to pull everything out first, just in case other stuff is shifted that's connected to that. Once I get it all pulled out, then I will go ahead and get this back panel cut off and start fitting the new one up. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this one in clamps first.
Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Road Tech. Road Tech is a new innovative company that just won the SEMA Show 2024 Best New Tool Award. Guys, you don't have to pump anymore. All you have to do is you just push a button. It's really as simple as that. These are battery powered 20-volt e-jacks, and it works great if you don't have much space in your garage, you don't have space to swing a jack handle, or you're going way up underneath a vehicle and you barely have any swing with the jack handle. You could get these with big wheels, or they're also available with caster wheels, just depending on what surface you're working on. They also have long reach jacks, which is what you see me using right here, to go way up underneath a vehicle. I'll be honest, guys, I will never use a traditional jack again. After using this, there's no way I can ever go back. Go to shoproadtech.com and get yours today.
So they have measurements of where they want these clamps to go, and you go off the center of the rear wheel, and they want this one 790 millimeters. Just right, actually, exactly just about where I have it. Right about there. And the front one they want at 2025 millimeters, which is gonna be there. All right, I just about have this rear body panel all fit together. Shut my lift gate, and my gaps on my lights look good, and where it meets up to the quarter panels both looks good. It seals very nicely across the bottom, so I'm gonna pop it back open, and I'm going to go ahead and get this back panel welded on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a test weld with this spot welder before I actually start welding, and then I'll destructive test the weld to make sure that it is working correctly. Just like that. Then I'm going to take some vice grips, lock them on here, and I'm going to rip this apart. Just like that. See how that tore out? When you get the weld to tear out like that, that's exactly what you want. If it were to just pop apart or something weird like that, that means it's not getting penetration through the two panels. So, but it's working good, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this spot welded on, then I'll do my MIG welding after that.